How to download and install Axis Bank mobile banking application. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get this application in your device. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, open up your Play Store from your device. At the top search bar, simply type in Axis Mobile and tap on to search. Once you do so, you will see all these search results. Tap onto the second option, and this is the application that you should have in your device. Tap on Install. Now, once you completely install this application, tap on Open. Just like so, enter your corporate ID, your login ID, and your password. Once done, tap on to Login, and just like so, follow the on-screen prompt to get started. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.